Epson wristwatch assembly technology evolved to become the versatile SCARA robots that we began selling in 1983. Today, our high-performance SCARA robots are used in a variety of industries, and we offer a lineup of models to meet virtually every customer need. Drawing on our expertise in manufacturing technology, we have also developed a wide range of 6-axis robots and become a leading force in robotics innovation. To further expand the potential of robotics technology, we also offer machine vision systems and force sensor systems, and provide fully integrated solutions for process automation. With robotics and sensing innovation, we draw on our long experience in the field and work closely with our customers to develop sophisticated solutions, reducing costs and boosting the productivity of available space on the factory floor. Let's take a look at the full line of Epson SCARA robots. Our SCARA lineup is made up of 4 series. Maximum payloads range from 1 kilogram to 20 kilograms. The G series offers a variety of arm and stroke lengths and includes cleanroom and IP models. Tabletop, ceiling and wall-mounted units are available to meet your installation requirements. The RS series features a unique folding arm design that enables a full range of motion in small work cells. Next, the globally acclaimed LS series, now upgraded for improved performance and high cost efficiency. Finally, there's the versatile and affordable T series with a built-in controller for easier setup. Epson G, RS, LS and T series SCARA robots. With a wide range of choices, we offer a solution to virtually any need. Let's turn now to Epson's advanced 6-axis robot lineup. Combining versatile functionality with space-saving design, our 6-axis line consists of 3 series. Payloads range from 2.5 to 12 kilograms. The C4 series is compact, fast and precise, making it ideal for small component handling and assembly. The C8 series features a slim arm design and an 8-kilogram payload. With high speed and low residual vibration, it's suited to a wide range of applications. The C12XL also has a slim arm, but boasts a 12-kilogram payload for handling heavier items. The N series features Epson's original folding arm mechanism, enabling high productivity in very little space. With high spatial efficiency, it enables compact work cell design. Finally, there's the VT series with built-in controller. Affordable and easy to set up, it's ideal for automating simple tasks. With this extended lineup of Epson 6-axis robots, we help customers meet varied manufacturing demands.